Let's go down to the farm today. We'll find all the animals and watch them play. Moo, moo, says the black and white cow. What a friendly smile and so big. Wow! Oink, 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 says the pig, rolling in a mud puddle that's really big. Cluck, 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 goes the chicken, looking for bugs, peckin' and pickin'. Neigh, neigh, says the horse, apples and hay I eat, of course. Baa, baa, bleats the sheep, I'm growing wool for the farmer to keep. Ruff, 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 barks the dog, running up to say hi at a comfortable jog. Squeak, squeak, goes the little mouse, the big red barn is also his house. Quack, 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 says the duck, swimming in the pond, what great luck. Ma, ma, yes, that's the goat. He makes that noise way down in his throat. They all live here on the farm, you see. It's their most favorite place they like to be.